take care of your number one Valentine this February, your car. Do you know that the average American spends about $116.21 on Valentine's Day? Flowers, candy, cards, going out to eat are par for the course on February 14th to appreciate the ones you love. But what about your vehicle? This year, consider your car its own Valentine's Day gift, the gift of maintenance. We've compiled the perfect gift guide for your car this Valentine's Day to give that special vehicle in your life the attention it deserves. Oil filter change, maybe you've neglected the maintenance light a little too long. Clean engine and a clean filter means that your car stays as clean as it can for as long as it can. New cabin filter. If you or your loved ones suffer from allergies due to airborne particles, the Toyota Genuine Cabin Filter captures pollen, dust, and other contaminants. Tire care. Like a good pair of shoes, your tires are what keep you connected to the road. Even if you've recently replaced tires, checking your air pressure and getting them rotated are other ways to take care of your Valentine this year by keeping them safe on the road. Brake pads. Your Valentine should make you feel safe, and nothing says safety like checked brakes. A great time to get your brake pads inspected is when you have your tires rotated, or at your next oil change, simply ask to have your brakes checked. Replace windshield wipers. How did your wipers work the last time it rained? Did they skip, streak, split, or squeak? If so, now is the time to have them replaced. To receive a complimentary set of wiper blades up to a $45 value, see Clearer with Renew Introductory offer that includes initial application and 3 refreshes for only $99 plus tax. Ask your service advisor. Showing the people you love that you care is what Valentine's Day is about. And giving your vehicle a little TLC this Valentine's Day will keep your loved ones safe while you're driving on the road. Visit our website to schedule your appointment today